Well, I'm out at the range today and I'm trying out some 223 reloads. These are loaded with the 69 grain Sierra hollow point boat tail Match King bullet, and that's Sierra part number 1380. I've got 25.5 grains of Winchester 748, a Winchester case, a CCI BR4 bench rest primer. There's the overall length, and according to the book it was supposed to give 2,700 feet per second. However, their data was out of a 20-inch barrel and I'm shooting a 24-inch barrel, so I expect to get a fair bit more than that. And here's what the loaded round looks like. Pretty standard looking. You can see the little BR on the primer there to show that's a bench rest primer. And there's the Sierra Match King bullet. I have tried 68 grain Hornadies in this rifle before. This rifle is a 1 in 9 twist, and they didn't shoot as good as I expected they would, but they are very long for their weight. The Match King Sierras are considerably shorter, even though they weigh a grain more. Anyway, we're going to put a few down range and over the chronograph to see how we get along. And here's a group. This is from 500 yards. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And that is 4.5 inches extreme spread from side to side and 1.5 inches high. So I'm quite pleased with that. That's much better than the Hornady 68 grain bullets would do at that distance. You'd be lucky to shoot about a foot with those things. So a 4.5 inch group is quite okay in my books. So here's our load once again, and this is out of the Remington 705R, so it has a little bit more barrel than the test barrel in the book. They specified 2,700 feet per second, but that was out of a 20-inch barrel Colt AR-15, I believe. So we've got a 24-inch barrel 5R, which is probably a little bit faster just in the rifling profile, let alone the 4 inches of extra barrel. Anyway, having said that, there's our lowest speed, 2941, highest 2985, for an average of 2971, extreme spread of 43, 44, standard deviation of 14, that's pretty good. And here are the individual 10 shots. So yeah, these are getting about 270 feet per second more than the test barrel in the book. It is a warm day today, so that may have something to do with it. So there's all the shots. The primers look pretty good. They're not flattened over too much, so I'd say pressure seems to be decent. Anyway, let's go down and have a look at the target. Alright, we've got group number 2 from 500 yards once again, and we've got 4 inches center to center from that one to that one, so that gives us a group this time that's about 1 3/4 inches wide by 4 inches high. Anyway, pretty good performance, I would say. I'm pretty happy with that. I may have to go out and buy some more of those 69 grain Sierras. They shoot pretty good.